You know what? We had 60 plus sessions, never been done for any NASSCOM conference before, including the India Leadership Forum. And I think you gave us a thumbs up. We'd like to acknowledge the people who made this possible. First and foremost, we'd like to call upon the NASSCOM people, the NASSCOM team. You'll see many of them in the maroon shirts. Please come on. So Kritika, Aninda, Avinash, of course Avinash, Akanksha, Bharti, you faced, I know, some tough people yesterday morning. Jyoti, Daryl, Kailash, again you faced some tough people yesterday morning. So come on up. Kritika, of course I mentioned, Kavita, Kunal, Mukesh, Purushottam, Sumitro, Senthil, and Sujit. Last but not the least, come Avinash, you have to be here. So, you know what? All of them are heroes, but there is one superhero. You know, needless to say, we couldn't have done this without you. You know, your feedback is important. You've guided that process. We've told you right in the beginning, our goal is very simple, to be the most delegate-centered conference in the world. In the product space, I think we are. And you know, so your feedback is important. We had 80 plus speakers. We'd like to thank our speakers. They've come from all over the world. Some of them, like Shell, had to spend 3 days getting here because he missed his flight, had to spend 36 hours in Singapore. So we thank all our speakers. You know, our volunteers are an unusual lot. They are willing to bet on product companies. You will find no IT services firm here. These are all believers in the future of this industry. So please, a round of applause to our sponsors. We couldn't have done it without them. You know, we have a number of partners listed in our book, as you know. We partnered with every ecosystem player. Everybody has, you know, contributed to making this a success. And, you know, you've seen some of the sessions that we have very closely collaborated with them on. And so they've been part of this in a very big way. We have a social media partner who, we apologize to them, Athenos, we forgot to put their logo on the book. So apologies to them, but a big thank you as well for being there. Our event management team, Stir, Preetam, a wonderful MC here. You know, we would specially like to thank the general manager of the hotel. You know, Ms. Pep Kumar, she is here. Please come on up, sir. Hey, Kritika, why are you there? Bharti, Puru, come on up. You know, rarely do you see leadership in action like we have seen here. You have seen her on her toes, you know, yesterday and today. You know, yesterday we saw her trying to fix the traffic problem. You know, whenever we had a problem, she was there. And her answer to every problem is, don't worry, I will get it done. And indeed she has. A very big thank you to you and your team. A great example of leadership. We are really pleased, we are very pleased to be here. Thank you so much. You know, I must also acknowledge the CIOs. We every year bring the CIOs together. This year, MR and Vivek Paul did a private session for them in the morning. The quality of CIOs is terrific. We really are thankful for them to be here. That's our way for reaching out to new sets of communities so that they understand what the product industry can do to them. Of course, we had, I think, 40 plus angel investors here. We start our conclave by a session for them, which is not on the agenda. We do a dinner. I see one sitting right in front of me. And some of them have been there all 2 days, and some of them, you know, most of them were here yesterday as well. So whether you know it or not, there were many angel investors floating around. And in fact, in the session that happened today in the morning, this was a room full of angel investors. Many of you got to pitch to them as well. But, you know, the most special, of course, can you guess who they are? No. No, audience I've already mentioned. You know, it is, of course, our volunteers. So I like to call all our volunteers up on stage, right from Ankur, all the volunteers. Yeah, no, stage. I mean, you don't get off. Yeah, come on.
So when will the stage take?
Hey guys, think of this.
40 plus 10?
You know, MR has been the co-host here. The whole team has been involved in this. We put before you over 60 hours of programming, live programming. Every hour that you saw was curated by a session manager, which was managed then by a volunteer here. A black shirt, a gray shirt, or a white shirt. Our speaker lounge, you know, many of you speakers interacted with our volunteers in the speaker lounge. This is the Wikipedia of conferences. These are the people that make it happen. And it's not easy to get the scores that we got, to put the conference that we put together. So please give a round of applause. I'm sure, you know, there are several key people that we are missing here. First of all is KK. Unfortunately, he had to be in Seattle, so he had to leave. You know, KK is a partner in crime here, you know, full partner in crime. We work together with KK for everything that we do. He runs the Emerge Forum. This is a product forum. We are a NEPG team, NASSCOM Emerge Product Group, because we do everything together. We are finding almost all emerging companies are product companies. And of course, all product companies are today more or less emerging companies, right? So that's really where we are. You know, I would request MR if you have any other words to say, you know, to bring this to an end. Yeah.
This has been a terrific conference. I've really enjoyed it, even more than last year. And I hope we have some big numbers for next year, right? And the dates are going to be...
Yes, the dates are on the back of your booklet.
7th and 8th of November.
So or 8th or 9th. Does anybody have
7th and 8th, right? 7th and 8th of November, so the team better start cracking tomorrow. Yeah. But I've really enjoyed it. I've met tons of you. Like I said, we'll use our voice at sandhill.com to amplify the success of this industry. And that's all I have, Sharad. So thank you.
Right. So this is not the only thing this team is doing here. We are doing a bunch of other stuff. I would like to think of it as the tip of the iceberg. But all that stuff, we don't want to create an overhang. You know, when it gets done, you will hear about it. So with that, if you want to sign up to be a volunteer, on your booklet, there is a mail that we have. It's called New NEPG Volunteers at nasscom.in. If any of you choose to be volunteers here, please send us a mail. We would love to engage you in this collective building of the industry that we are on right now. Thank you once again for being here. Hey, don't get off. We're going to take pictures here. Come back.
Move back.
So, Ankur, curator in chief. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.